Hi everyone, my name is Abel Gray Kantuma. Okay, these are actually the list of softwares which we have covered on our YouTube channel. Okay, you can visit the channel to actually keep yourself busy. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a surface. Okay, in the last video I showed you how to actually import your point. On this video I'm going to be showing you how to actually create a surface. These are points which we have imported, like I explained in the previous episode of this training. Once you import your point, the next thing you do is to create a surface. Now to do that is just for you to click on your surface here. I'm going to close this. I click on surface and I will right click and I'm going to click on create surface. Now you can see this that has actually popped up for me. Here you can see it's telling me that I should write the name, the description, the style, the render material. Okay, so I can actually change all of this. I can change the style, change the description. I can actually give this surface a name. Let's say new road. Okay, so I've given that a name, and then now based on the description, it's actually going to give me description. I'm going to be showing you this later on when we are going to go into more details of this. Okay, some of the settings here you can actually do. And then this style here, you can actually switch your style to whatever that you feel suits. I prefer to leave it as it is, like this. Let's leave it as it is here for now. Okay, and then I'm going to click on OK. Now you can see I created a surface. I gave it a name, new road. Okay, so if I come here, you can see it has created like a drop down for us here. So if I click here, you can see I have new road, just the name I gave it just now. If I come down to this new road, I'll go to definition. That is, I'm actually trying to define that surface. Okay, if I come to my definition, I can actually create a surface by point files or by point group. Okay, so if I click on point file and I click on add, okay, on that point file I will right click and then I will click on add. So if I click on add, all I will need to do is just to go back to that same file and then I'll click on it again. You can see it's still on text, okay, because the former point I imported is a text file too. So if I click on open, because you have to maintain the same file, okay, it's actually going to create a surface for this file. It's just like me repeating the same thing I did earlier on. Okay, now you can see it has created a surface for my point. Now this surface can actually be adjusted. You can do some little adjustment on it. For example, if I click on this here, you will discover at the top here, you discover a little change from my tabs. Some new tabs are actually going to pop up. You can see here we have the add label. If I click on this drop down here, you can see contour multiple at interval. Okay, I can you can see spot elevations. So let's click on multiple at interval. So I'm going to click on this point here and then let's say I take it here, and then you can see the interval along this contour is actually 100. I can change that to 50. I can change it to 200. Let's say I want to maintain that 100. I'll click on enter. Okay, it's actually still loading. Now you can see there are some labels attached to it along that part which I drew just now. You can see okay. Okay, these are the contours. Okay, so you can actually change it, just like instead of typing 100, you can make it 200, you can make it 400, you can make it to whatever spacing you actually want to specify for that. Now if you also click on this my surface, you can see I'm still on my surface. I can go down to my properties here. You can see the minimum, the maximum. I can edit all of this, but I'm going to leave it as this. Okay, let's go to edit surface. Display, grid. Okay, we are actually going to go deeper into that from our next episode on this training, where I'm going to go deeper into explaining all of this in the next episode. So if you love what you are seeing, make sure that you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, to encourage as many that want to have a deeper insight